Csillicrew.
From chilly heat to silly feats.
Hi everyone. As you can see, we are just ordinary people, ordinary kids,
Csillicrew.
and yet here we are on a Saturday afternoon sitting in our living room doing science. Because science isn't something hidden away in secret labs or reserved for old guys in white coats. It's something you can do anywhere. Science can be fun. It can happen right at home, so what's holding you back? Come on, join us and be a part of it. Oh, hello guys.
Hello.
What are you doing, guys?
Oh, just drawing because we're bored.
Oh, would you like to do some science?
Wow, yeah.
Let's start today's episode. Hello little scientist, I'm Uncle András and today we're going to make a rainbow in a glass.
A rainbow in a glass? That sounds impossible.
Oh, not with science. Today we learn about density and we'll make something beautiful too. What we need, I would say, is sugar, water and some food coloring and the clear glass for little patience.
What does sugar have to do with rainbows?
Great question. We are going to dissolve different amount of sugar in water to make liquids with different densities. And the more the sugar, the heavier the liquid. So let's make 4 different sugar solutions. In the first cup no sugar, then 1 spoon of sugar, 2 spoons, finally 3 spoons. One, and 2, and 1, 2,
3.
3. Perfect. Okay, like that. And now we need some water. Same amount for each of.
There's 1.
Okay, so let's make the coloring. Can you open that? Yeah, a strong one. Let me help you.
Yes, please.
Yes, perfect.
So you just put in the lid.
Yeah, just 1 lid and that's it.
Uh-oh.
Let's just pour it into.
Pour into the cork.
That's it.
Let's put the lid back on.
Now we're going
Mix it.
mix it, pour into the
There was
layers, into the.
I'm back.
Okay, did you wash your hands?
Yeah. Well, it looks like a rainbow in little cups.
Exactly. Now we will then carefully layer this glass, starting with the most sugary one. Pouring slowly is the secret. Start with the most dense one. put too fast, the colors will mix together. Let's see. Do this.
It looks like a rainbow.
Oh, you can see it's green, it's red,
Red and blue.
blue.
Yeah.
That's so cool.
It's so pretty. Can I drink it?
Well, technically yes, but it's mostly sugar and water, so maybe just enjoy it with your eyes. And that's how you make rainbow in a glass, using science. Try it at home and see how many layers you can make.
This was my favorite experience so far.
Really?
Yeah!
Then little scientists, stay tuned, and with more colorful fun is on the way.
Bye-bye.
Bye! See you next time!